Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda CRV headlight bulb, easy method. Open the hood and secure it, then remove the headlight assembly access cover by turning the clips counterclockwise. Unplug the wiring harness from the bulb, release the retaining clip, and gently remove the old bulb. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb, seat it fully, resecure the clip, reconnect the harness, and test the light before closing the hood. Before you start, lay out all tools and the replacement bulb on a clean towel, and wear gloves to prevent skin oils on the bulb. Turn the steering wheel away if needed to gain extra access, and place a soft mat on the fender to protect paint. Take a clear photo of the wiring before unplugging to ensure correct reassembly, and keep all small clips and screws in a container so nothing gets lost during the job. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. On another note, the product seen here is a great pick for your workspace. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. See the link in the description for that and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start by opening the hood and removing the access cover behind the headlight, using a screwdriver if clips are tight. Reach in, unplug the wiring harness, then depress the retaining clip or twist off the cap to free the old bulb. Insert the new bulb straight into the socket without touching its glass, secure the retaining clip or cap, reconnect the harness, and briefly test the headlight beam to confirm alignment before closing the hood and stowing tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.